Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your phone is connected and airplane mode is off, then restart the Wi-Fi or toggle mobile data. Once done, long press the problematic network, choose advanced options, and change DNS to 8. 8, 8, 8 or 1. 1, 1, 1 so your phone queries reliable name servers. You do this because the error means the device cannot resolve domain names. Swapping DNS often fixes resolution problems quickly and isolates network versus device issues. Next, clear cache data for the browser or app showing the error. Go to Settings Apps, pick the app, then Storage clear cache and clear data if needed. After that, perform a network reset to remove corrupt DNS, proxy, or VPN settings. This reinstates default network stacks. Make sure to disable any VPN or proxy while testing because those can intercept DNS. These steps eliminate app-level and configuration causes, so you can tell if the issue is systemic or isolated to one app. Finally, isolate the fault. Use another device on the same network or create a mobile hotspot to see if the problem follows the phone. If other devices work, update Android and the app, and uninstall apps that modify DNS or network behavior because they can cause conflicts. If nothing changes, reboot the router, contact your ISP to check DNS propagation, and only then consider a factory reset. Tip: if error persists after these steps, test with a public DNS and note exact error timing for support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.